right, this is JB with Going Wild out here at the park. And I've got about 4 stakes with some flagging on them so it'll be easier to see. And I've got a compass. My pocket here, I've got the Silva model, Ranger model here. Okay, let me put these in my pocket. Before we get started, explain to you about the compass here. Okay, the way to orient the compass, this one has a bubble in it, but it's not large enough to really interfere. Okay, we want to turn the compass until the red arrow that points north is lined into the box there. Red thread in the shed, some people call it. I just always say box the needle. And you can see your index line right here. That would be our heading or bearing. So right there would be about 60 degrees. Okay. So our first number was 270. So I'm going to set 270 at the index line here. 260. Well, I'm sorry, 210 was our first number. Can't keep it straight. There we go. 210. And now I'm just going to turn, hold the compass up in front of me without any metallic buckles or anything around, zippers. Okay, and I've got that pointed out. Now I'm going to take a flag. I'm going to put it right between my feet. Okay. So I've got my heading there. The needle box, got it set at 270 or 210, I'm sorry. I keep getting them mixed up. 210. So I'm going to count 20 paces. Starting with my right foot, I'm going to count every time my left foot hits the ground. I'm going to look off into the distance. Instead of staring down at the compass the whole time, I see a grill, which is right in my line of sight there. So I'm going to walk towards that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Gonna mark the flag between my feet here. Okay, our next heading was 270, due west. So I'm gonna put that on my index line. See right there. Now I'm going to take, holding the compass out in front of me, and box the needle. Roughly right about there. I'm going to look into the distance, see what I see. I see a fence post actually. I'm going to walk straight towards that fence post. Once again, count my paces, try to keep them nice and even. Get my compass back oriented again. Okay, starting with the right foot, count every time my left foot hits the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Stop. Put a flag between my feet. Okay. I can see my flag where I started. Across the way there. I'm going to take and sight a bearing on it. Okay. The way I do that So box the needle before, aim it at it, right with my little eyepiece there. And I've got right about 60 degrees. You can see right there. 60 degrees. Okay, so let's measure it out. Got my foot, starting with my right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. 34 paces. You can see my roughly a triangle. 34 paces, 1 pace off. It's probably due to the pace count. While I've got you here, way to do a back bearing. I just came from there. I know it's 60 degrees. You can look there. There's my index line. Opposite of my index line is 240, so that's my back bearing. So to my other flag, it should be 240. So I'm gonna turn it to 240 on my index line. Box the needle. And look at there, back bearing, 240. Once again, this is JB with Going Wild. Remember to like and subscribe. And I hope this is interesting for you. Nothing else, this is a good way to get outside with a compass and get some experience. Also, this is for use when you don't always have a map on hand of your area. So this, I can go to any area in between counting my paces, using my compass, and drawing the diagram. I can figure out how to get back home. This is JB, reminding you, go outside and get wild. Get outside and go wild. Signing out.